Hi guys. So till today, 4,563 students have signed the petition for SNAP results. I've been talking to a lot of students. I've been getting a lot of messages, and students been saying that the SNAP results were not up to the mark because a lot of people feel that slot 1 students, the exam which happened on 20th December, the students who wrote exam in the first slot got the undue advantage, and as the level of difficulty was increasing, slot by slot. So 20th December slot was easiest, 6th January was the medium level of difficulty, and the 9th January was the toughest one, because of which the normalization should have happened. Had there been a normalization, this situation wouldn't have been occurred at all, and that is what I think the students are currently demanding. Now, Symbiosis has already made a clear, there was an email which was sent across from the SNAP authority saying that, according to them, the level of difficulty for all the question topic by topic was similar for all the 3 slots. But it's my humble request to the SNAP authorities that kindly have a look at it, because that's not the scenario in reality. The level of difficulty of questions kept on increasing from 20th December to 6th of January attempt, and from 6th of Jan to the 9th of January. So if you, again, like you can see that, there are so many people who are saying that the level of difficulty was increasing. It's not about 1 or 2 people saying that, or it's not about 10 or 20 students saying that. There are thousands of students who are saying that. Now, it's a humble request from my side that at least authorities should give it a, try to understand the level of difficulty for all the 3 slots. There should be a little bit sort of a consideration given towards students' request on normalization, because I think students have given their time, their energy, and they have put in their all efforts on SNAP. They studied very well for SNAP, and they actually have done their best. And the reason that they actually went for SNAP as an exam, because I believe students there, they have a strong faith in the SNAP as an exam. They definitely feel that the colleges which comes under SNAP umbrella, the colleges, the management colleges which are available under SNAP, they are fabulous, they are class apart, and that is the reason a lot of people have always shown a great amount of love towards SNAP year on year. So it's my humble request to all the SNAP authorities that please do consider these requests, try to provide some solution. At least the list that what we can get is the response sheet. The CAT happened, right? CAT had slot 1, slot 2, and slot 3. It happened on the same day. It happened on the same day, by the way. So there was a normalization, and it was done beautifully, and people and students never had any issues with that. So I believe strongly that SNAP authorities will definitely look into it, because it's a big brand, and something that students really have a great faith on. So mere khayal se, as far as the students are concerned, guys, I would request you to kind of keep up the calm as of now, because a lot of people have raised the request. I'm very sure the authorities might be considering something on this situation. A lot of people have signed the petition. If you are seeing this video, if you are watching this video, and if you feel that you are also in the same scenario, that you had a problem with it, you can help your colleagues, you can help your fellow mates by signing this petition. And I'm very sure, meanwhile, let's not lose hope on it, because some people are saying that abhi kuch nahi hoga, pata nahi kya hoga, ye private college hai. Guys, mere khayal se it's too early to comment on it. I'm very sure SNAP authorities will definitely look into it, and they will do something which is definitely going to benefit students. So mere khayal se, let's wait and watch. But yes, just to conclude, it's a humble request to all the SNAP authorities that kindly look into it. People have believed, people have trusted SNAP exam all the time. I'm very sure students will not get disappointed in this. So guys, that's the small request from a mentor. Mere khayal se, guys, now it's a time to kind of wait and watch what sort of replies we are getting. And till then, keep patience, and let's wait for the reply. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.